Welcome back to Journey Alberta. I'm Sean, and today I'll be showing you how to cook up some food. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to cook up some food. This particular one I'm cooking today is going to be some chicken breast over a campfire, so it's perfect if you're going out to a day use area or if you're camping or anything like that. So I kind of want to share my recipe for cooking a breaded chicken breast. Also have some asparagus on the side as well. So let's get the fire started. Alright, now that I've got the fire started, just gotta wait for some of the wood to burn down a bit, so I got some really hot coals, so I could put a grate on top of the coals I have just down by the fire pit right now, and then I can put my cast iron frying pan, fill it with a bit of oil, and then throw the chicken breast on. I'd prepped the chicken breast already before I even came out here. That's something if you're going out to a day use area or if you're camping or anything, you probably want to do that before you head out. So basically what I did was I cracked 3 eggs. Took 3 eggs, cracked them into a bowl. Then from there, I filled a container, glass container. You can really use it with anything you want, to be honest. With flour, salt, pepper, dill seasoning, oregano, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now really you can put whatever you want in the spices. It really doesn't matter. And then flour as well. I don't know if I mentioned flour. Flour is an important one because that's what's going to make kind of the breading, I guess. The seasoning is what gives it the taste. The breading is what's going to give it that texture, I guess. So from there, take your chicken breast out. I tenderized mine. Used a tenderizing hammer. Just kind of hammered it a little flatter, so it's going to cook a little bit easier. And then you put it into the egg mixture after you kind of stir it up. Put it into the egg mixture, take it out, put it into your spices flour mix after you mix it up as well, of course. Make sure everything's coated, take it out, put it back into the egg mixture again. Now you'll notice that the spices and flour won't actually come off. So from there you take it out again, since it's been dredged a second time. Put it back into the flour a second time, coated everything. And right now I've just got it sitting on a plate on a little table down by the fire pit while I wait for obviously the fire and the coals to be ready to start cooking. So that's the preparation that I did before I even came out to start the fire. Got a fire going, so on some logs. Should be good enough, I think. My frying pan down on it. That. Let that heat up, pour the oil in. All right, the chicken is in. I'm inside now. Got my chicken in here. Let's cut into it and see how it looks. Oh yeah. That is like really tender too. And the breading just, oh. It's sticking to it, which it's supposed to, so that's good. And let's have a taste. Oh, that's good. That's good. The last time I tried this was the first time I ever did breading on a chicken homemade. And I didn't put enough spice into the, like mixed in with the flour, so I didn't get enough flavor, I guess. There's a perfect amount of crunch. You can taste the spices too. Make sure not to go maybe too crazy on the flour, because that'll really dilute the taste. But oh, this is good. Let's try the asparagus. It's got a bit of the flavor of the chicken actually, because I put it in right in the cast iron frying pan right next to the chicken. It's got some of the flavor now of the chicken as well. Just an incredible dinner. Well, I'm gonna finish this meal now. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching. Maybe you learned something about cooking some food, hopefully. Something that you can add to your repertoire if you're heading to a day use area, one of the provincial parks, maybe near Calgary, like Kananaskis, like I do, or maybe even Fish Creek Provincial Park. Those are both near me, and they both have day use areas I like to frequent. Comment down below if you'd like to see me cook more food like this for you and show you how I do it. Subscribe for new videos coming on Friday, and I will see you next week.